Welcome to the show, and today we are working on a waste facility, which also is we're gonna need a boiler room for the snow area to keep the residents nice and warm. So we're gonna need a lot. So in this build, we're gonna do everything we need to do to get it started. Like first thing, we can create us a road so we can place some waste treatment plants, water treatment plants, that is. As you see, already have the pipes ran. So I'm gonna run. We also want the crown to be when you're coming in, so it can be like this huge monumental waste facility plant. What we're gonna do is add the disaster response air base, right? We are going to add that right in front so it gives that appeal. Like, you see that look from the highway? That's the look we wanted right there, right? So let's get another road behind it, because we're gonna add some more assets too, just to make this place look cool. Like, one of the things I like to do is add all my airplane helicopter facilities, helicopter depots for the police, and helicopter depot for the fire department. Right? So we got those two in, right? So it seemed like right there we have this little facility for all our emergency needs and services right here. That is what we wanted to create. So as you see, you look from that road, that's what you see. Now on the back side, we get interesting. We want to do the fusion power plant somewhere in the back, so it can be like out of the main view. See how that sits back up there? Now also we add the hadron collider right around the side of it, so it's like in this little corner. You see how that goes back from that area? Now we can use this so all kinds of ways. We might use it again, but I doubt it for this build in this snow-packed area that I'm gonna use the Garden of Eden. So we do like to use it because it raised the real estate value. So we definitely want to use that. So what we'll do is let's place that like it's a research plant, research area. Give it like, and we can kind of make it like give it a research look. See, it don't fit, but you have to use it. So what I'm gonna do is add some vertical farms right next to it. Give off this kind of view up like this. Okay, and for the main tree also in this back area, which is important, you want to have the most important thing, the ultimate recycling plant right there in the back side of it. So it's kind of not visible to the road, but it's still directly on the road. So let's level this area out a little bit more back here. Alright, what I'm gonna do is let's give it a little level. And what I like to do is take these rocks right here, these cliffs, they call them, turn them sideways like that, right? Well, let's take a smaller one. Let's take a smaller pile. Let's take these rock formation, right? You see how that's going that direction? So what we do is take it that way and then turn this combine them together, make them look like a trash pile. Give it that look. I do 2 of those. Since it's snow, I don't have to be too leveled out, but yeah, because we got snow on the ground. Take a little road just to kind of break it up a little bit. Give it that like it's a part of this building. That's all I'm doing for this specific area. So now, being that we're in the snow, I see we need boiler rooms, geothermal heating plants. Now I'm new to using these. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place a couple of them because my first time ever using them. Make sure it's working over there. Oh, it's okay, it's heating. Now let's make a exit for this place. But that's a great intersection. So there you have it right there. Complete waste center. Also, you have to make sure that you have enough power, fire protection. So you need fire protection over in this area also. So that's another thing. And one of the most important things that we can't forget, that is the snow plows, which is the road maintenance depot. You have to use that. You got to use it. There's no way to get around it. Now, I don't know what this is. Snow dump. Try to use a couple of this. Let's just fill this little lane up right here with snow. So they always at peace. It's almost like fire, they're like the recycling places, garbage dumps. What is this? Need oil? Oh no, we have to delete that. We can't have that problem. We don't need nothing that we have to do a geothermal, which is gonna make it go on and off. So, oh my God, we in trouble on this board. This is gonna be complicated, but we're gonna figure it out. There you have it right there. We have everything you need for this build. One of the most interesting things, we use the emergency disaster airport and fire department depot and police depot, helicopter depot. And we have a massive amount of geothermal heating for this huge build. And we have the Hadron Collider and the Garden of Eden. Protect some of the food sources. And over here we have a waste facility plant, the fusion power plant, and the ultimate recycling center with a massive amount of snow plows for this huge build. So stay tuned for part 2 of this build right here with the City Sky King.